beginning of an adventure, you don't really know what to expect. But at the same time, you've got this feeling of excitement, this feeling that you know that it's going to be something that you will enjoy. And you know that things are going to pop up that there's no way, there's no planning.
The road trip had just started.
We lost the drone in this herd of sheep, and we had to go find it. And that stuff, you can't plan that. We didn't know that it was going to happen.
It was still so much fun because I feel like it set up what would be the rest of the trip.
Oh, yo, imagine standing in an open field here.
Oh, yeah!
Yo! Oh. Yo!
Yo! The unknown in the adventure is going somewhere without knowing what you're going to expect. And these things that you can't really plan, these things that you don't really know that they're going to happen, but when they do, you deal with it in a spontaneous way, and that is adventure.
At the core of it, adventure is going out, getting lost, seeing things you've never saw before, walking into the unknown, doing it with really awesome people.
You see so many things online nowadays of, you have to get out there and have this massive trip, this massive journey into changing your life. And an adventure doesn't have to be that. It can be just like what we did, which was just get away from the city for a couple of days.
A big adventure doesn't entail traveling across the world or doing something daring. I think it's more about who you're spending the time with and those special moments. If you make those moments special with the right people, you'll get more satisfaction in that than traveling worlds away. This is insane. I've never seen something like this before. This is straight out of either Game of Thrones or Lord of the Rings.
Don't be a vlogger, man. It's too chill here. I actually didn't say that.
Why do we go on adventures? So that we can see the world through new perspectives, to find new experiences. It's not the big adventure that turns into a memory. It's the small moments that we remember as the big adventure that is life.